Today's recipe is mashed turnips with tender green peas. To start with, I steam peas in a pan of water with a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to go ahead, peel my turnips and cut them into large pieces. Here in Instant Pot, I add a little bit of oil, a bay leaf, and all my turnips. Now I go ahead and add my ground spices. I have paprika, turmeric powder, and some fennel powder here. I can add coriander powder instead of fennel powder. Little bit of water, about 1/4 cup of water. Give it a good mix. I'll season it with some salt, about half teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and cook it on high pressure for about 10 minutes. And after the timer is done, I let it sit for some time before I open the lid. Use potato masher or any large spoon to mash these turnips. They can be a little chunky. Actually, I like them a little chunky. Now let's make our sauce. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, bloom cumin seeds, add a little bit of hing, sliced ginger. This is fresh ginger that I chopped into small pieces. It was about 1-inch piece of ginger. 1 cup of chopped onions. We'll saute the mixture till onions get brown. Add a cup of tomatoes. Cook this mixture for another 2 minutes till all tomatoes are soft. Now I'm going to add my mashed turnips to this mixture and my steamed peas. Few more spices. I have 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I also have a teaspoon of amchur or dried mango powder. Mix everything and I keep cooking it on low heat. Low to medium heat is good. I'm going to go ahead and remove this bay leaf. And here it's coming to a boil. Let it cook for a few minutes and then I'm ready to serve it. I always like to garnish it with some fresh herbs, coriander or cilantro. Full recipe on my website, yogchakra.com.